Happy Sunday, guys! You're probably asking yourself, Richard, what the hell are you wearing that white robe? What do you think you are, some sort of scientist? And yes, guys, according to Butters, I am a physicist. Butters says hi, by the way. Alright, Butters, I'm gonna let you sleep. Alright, guys, I just wanted to wear this to get into the spirit of today's topic, which is quantum weirdness, guys. Now, when I began my awakening, guys, about a year ago, right, I came across the quantum world, right? Has its own set of rules, set of laws that it follows. Then I came across the double-slit experiment, guys. Now, if a lot of you haven't heard about this, and I'm sure a lot of you have, basically, I'm gonna attempt to draw it for you guys. Okay, now you remember how I said everything in your body, your atoms are conscious, everything is alive? Okay, so let's just say we have a wall, okay? You have a wall. We just have a wall, okay? And then we make two slits in the middle. Alright, two slits in the wall. Alright? And then let's just say we have a machine, like a cannon machine that shoots individual atoms, right, guys? Because that's what we are. Basically, we're just a reflection of light, is what we are, right? So, now in this experiment, they shot out one individual photon atom at a time. So just think of it like little tennis balls, right? You're gonna shoot it through two slits in the wall, okay? And then say you put another wall behind it, right? What kind of pattern are you gonna get on that other wall, guys? Obviously, it's gonna look like that, right? Because it's going through two individual slits. So one through, right? Okay, that's what we like to think, right? Well, guess what, guys? This is where things get weird, right, Butters? This is where things get weird. Alright, guys, so they also noticed, guys, when they stepped away from the room, let's just say this is me. Okay, look at me, I'm not a great drawer, guys, but you get the picture, that's me, I'm watching it. Do-do-do, goes, okay, that's what it's supposed to look like, okay, I'm happy. So I leave. Do-do-do-do-do. Yeah, that's my leaving noise. So I leave. I leave the machine on. Keep shooting. I come back. Guess what's on the pattern behind the wall, guys? Basically, when someone is not observing or measuring the atoms, they act like waves, guys. So let's just say, okay, you got the same wall, two slits, right? Now, if you put water through two slits in a wall, the wall behind it's gonna give you a pattern sort of like four lines, right? Because you know how waves travel. Well, basically, guys, your atoms are conscious, they're alive, because basically it's as if the atoms are knowing that you're watching them, guys. So let's say I come back, I'm like, what the hell? How did that act like a wave? Why is it going? And then so I come back and I watch it, and the atoms are like, this guy's watching us. Hey, are you gonna go through that one slit? Yeah, go through these are the atoms talking, by the way. This is what they sound like. Hey, go through this one slit, bro. Yeah, go through here, because that's what he's gonna think. He's gonna think that the pattern is gonna look like this, okay? But when he leaves, guys, when he leaves, remember, these are the atoms talking. When he leaves, guys, let's act like a wave and hit every possibility. Because that's what I'm trying to say, guys. Life is a superposition of every possibility, guys. Quantum physics proves this. Now listen, guys, I'm not a physicist. I can't explain things perfectly. Almost dropped the phone and I caught it again. But you guys get the picture, guys. Basically, in this experiment, it proves that our consciousness is tied in to reality, guys, because it is reality, guys. Now, Y'all know me, I get really deep, right? So just to sum it up, guys, I know it was kind of confusing and rushed. It's just I get so excited speaking about the quantum world, guys. So basically what it's saying is that atoms and photons, it's like they know they're being watched and observed. So what does that tell you, guys? Each atom is conscious. I don't know if you guys ever heard of holons, but basically holistic thinking, right? You have got to look at things from multiple angles. It's what I've been doing in my life, guys, and it's been helping me put the pieces together to my puzzle. Remember, guys, we each have our own maps to this territory, and by territory I mean finding truth, right? Who we are. Each of us reach it in different ways. Now, see, I'm going at it. My map was scientifically how I was brought there, but I know there's a lot of different people that reach this territory in different ways. And all this is exciting, guys. I had to get through a lot in order to learn my lessons. But you see, I'm very grateful that I never gave up. I know a lot of you guys think, well, okay, well, this double-slit experiment, how's this supposed to help me in my life, Richard? Basically, guys, everything I put on my channel is just to remind you that this is magical, guys. We are in a magical simulation of the creator, guys. This is the ultimate virtual reality game you're in. Guys, you see, what I feel is that before we were brought in this world, we did not know separation. We were just one with the creator, right? But through the creator's love, unconditional love, we fragmented away from the creator so we could sense that polarity, that separation, and so we could return back to the creator, guys. It's a beautiful thing. Science is eventually gonna have no choice but to say there is an infinite creator, and it's all of us. I love you guys. I hope you got something out of this double-slit experiment. It's just showing you guys, and there's a lot of other science experiments that prove that consciousness and reality are tied, guys. We are our mirror. We are an illusion. It's our sense of self that's the illusion. Everything around us is basically like a magnet. So however we are vibrating internally and thinking, the universe then concises to make things come together to fit and mirror how you feel inside. Beautiful soul. I love you guys. Have a great Sunday. I'm gonna get out in nature. Coco says have a great day. Namaste. Love you guys, really.